Resource block. The resource block describes a characteristics of the Flex Fieldbus device, such as device name, manufacturer, and serial number, etc. Resource block describes the characteristics of the field device, such as device name, manufacturer, and the serial number, etc. There is only one resource block in a device, only one. Control builder project type. The remaining H1 interface, device, another one device. No, same device. This is also device, this is also device. FIM, transducer block. Transducer block is here, this one. Transducer blocks are used to configure devices. Transducer blocks are required to read sensors values and the command output value. Transducer block is configure devices, record, read sensors value and the command output value. FIM, H1 link interface, device, control builder block, device, control builder project block. Functions block. Functions block. The control system strategy is built using a function block. Control system strategy is built using function blocks. Input and output parameters of function blocks can be linked over the field bus. Input and output parameters of function block can be linked over the field bus. The execution of each function block is precisely scheduled and there can be many function blocks in a single user application. AI block, PID, piping and instrumentation diagram block, analog output, here non analog input, device, model actual, mode actual, mode target, PV underscore FTIME, F-time, PV status, PV value, out status, out value, connected to block, connected to in value, save, case underscore in dot value. This is PID. Piping and the instrumentation diagram. Device, the device name F0103 underscore 1 HP2, same version. Mode actual, auto mode target, auto, SP status, SP value, CAS underscore in status, BAD dot not con connection, recast underscore in status, bad, no communication, PV F-time in IN status, PV status, PV value, out status, PV this one, PV time, PV F-time, PV underscore PV F-time, PID block, out. Gas in value, output value, analog output, device, model actual, mode target, mode actual, mode target, SP status, SP value, CAS in status, RCAS in status, PV status, PV value, out status, AI block, AO block, output value, function blocks, function blocks, function blocks. Analog input, standard function blocks. Analog input, analog output, bias gain, control sector, discrete input, discrete output, manual order, proportional derivative, proportional integral derivative, ratio, device control, output splitter, signal characterizer, lead log, lead dead time, integrator, totalizer, set point, ramp generator, input selector, arithmetic, timer, analog alarm, function blocks, multiple analog input, multiple analog output, multiple discrete input, multiple discrete output. Example of a control loop. Control strategy can be built using function blocks built into field devices. A simple temperature transmitter may contain an AI function block. A control valve might contain a PID function block as well as the expected AO block, analog output block. Thus, a complete control loop can be built using simple transmitter and a control valve. Control is the field, thus need a controller. Example of a complete control loop using function blocks located in Fieldbus devices. Yeah, one second. Example of a control loop. Control strategy can be built using function blocks built into field devices. The simple temperature transmitter, simple temperature transmitter may contain AI function block, AI function block. A control valve might contain PID function block, PID function block, as well as the AO analog output. This is the control valve having PID, our analog output. This temperature controller AI, temperature transmitter. Sorry. Thus, a complete control loop can be built using simple transmitter. A complete control loop can be built using simple simple transmitter and a control valve. Simple transmitter and a control valve. Control in the field does need a controller. Control in the field does need a controller. High speed Ethernet. Here in this AI block device name is annual model. Device name model actual, mode target, PV time, P underscore time, PV status, PV value 0.1849 something, output status. This is PID block. This one output value connected to a PID control gas involved cabin value in value output value device mode actual, mode targeted, SP status, SP value, cache in status, cache in status, pair dot not connection, or cache in status, or cache underscore in dot status, word no communication, TV underscore FP, F timer, IN dot status, PV status dot status, PV dot value, out status, DAD flag, AO block. Example of a complete control module strategy, control on the wire. Then PID output value connected to this AO output. Here manual, here tone compression device, mode actual, mode target, SP status, SP value, gas in status, or gas in status, PV status, PV value, output status, PV black. Then output value. Example of the complete control model strategy on the wire. H1 link model master redundancy. H1 link, H1 field bus. Two types of devices: link master, capable of becoming link active schedule LAS, link active scheduler. Basic device, link master device are here prime loss. Here this is the prime loss. Here basic device. Here backup LAS, prime PRM LAS. This one STT35 FFS, STT355 FF1. This one, and this one STT35 FF3. Here STT35 FF6. H1 field bus, sorry, H1 field bus. Basic device, link master device, basic device, link master device, basic device. From link master device, this one, not this one. Okay. So basic device, prime loss, and then backup loss, basic device, prime loss. Two types of devices: link master, capable of becoming link active scheduler. This LAS, link active scheduler. Then basic device, link master, capable of becoming link active scheduler. LAS, link master device, or LAS, link active scheduler. You have to remember. Okay. H1 active scheduler, PID loop scheduled and unscheduled communication. Function blocks AI unlock input 110, PID 110, AO 110, loop 110, period of execution. This much. Here, this line, these function blocks, analog input 110, PID pipeline and the instrumentation diagram 110, this area, and then analog output. Scheduled, closed loop control, unscheduled, alarms events, maintenance diagnostics information, program innovation, premises interlocks, display information, trend information, configuration, closed loop control, function block execution, scheduled communication, unscheduled communication.